ever wonder if you can rock a short lock hairstyle without sacrificing the length that you work so hard for? Continue watching and stay tuned and see how I use this pipe cleaner to achieve that look. Hello, my lovely lock minions, and those that are new to my channel. My name is Mfan. I am a teacher, a dancer, and a hair guru for locks. Now, let's get started. We're gonna do this lock style on freshly washed hair. You wanna make sure your hair is damp or wet. I'm also going to use a bottle that's filled with aloe vera juice and water just to spray over my hair just to make sure it stays wet. Next, you'll need some pipe cleaners and some scissors. Next, you're gonna grab a lock and a pipe cleaner and put the pipe cleaner towards the end of the lock. Then you're gonna fold it over just like that. Proceed to roll the hair in an upward motion towards your scalp. As you're rolling it, when you get to a certain point, you want to push it towards the end of the pipe cleaner to create the tight curl. When you get to the base of your lock or towards the scalp, you want to take the remaining of the pipe cleaner and wrap it around that base to secure the lock. And then whatever extra material you have, you want to cut it. Make sure you don't cut your hair though. Whatever is left of the pipe cleaner, you're just going to wrap it around the base and fold it, and you're done. I did want to show you how much your hair shrinks when you do these pipe cleaners. Like, wow. Keep watching. On this channel, I will be here to advise, counsel, and possibly mentor you on locks for you to love. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Keep watching. We made it to the last lock. Now I want you to pay attention to how I have majority of my locks in the front towards one side. So I had to determine whether or not I wanted it to have a part in the middle, or I wanted one side more than the other. So I sprayed my locks one last time, and let me tell you, that shrinkage is real. I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I ended up liking it anyways. I am so glad you stayed and watched the whole video of how to use pipe cleaners to produce this lock style. But if you enjoyed this video, you will enjoy this video over here. This is a lock tutorial, a step-by-step guide of braid out with locks. Thanks for watching.